The goal of today is to get rosemary. I want to make some infused beard oil with coconut oil and then infuse the rosemary into it. We have a nice bush of rosemary. Let's get a few pieces from here. Hii ni knowledge nilitoa kwa upishi. We're gonna make something called a Bain-Marie. Bain-Marie basically ni unaeka sufuria moja kubwa with some water in it, and then you put one that fits above it. Put your rosemary there, and then we get our coconut oil, and all we do is just pour it on top like that. Hapa sasa ndio ujuzi ya shule ya upishi inakuja. So what the Bain-Marie does, you heat this, boils this, the heat and the steam heats this, and it extracts all the oil from the rosemary without actually burning any oils, basically without getting any smoke. Unajua huyu ukiweka direct kwa pani ya mafuta itatoa moshi. Now doing this, it extracts all the oils out of the rosemary without actually burning any of it. This is the cleanest way to infuse your oils or your spices into oils. So next, tunachukua hii, tunawasha moto hapo na tunaenda na kazi, si ndio? After a while, utaona it'll stop being green. It'll turn color. You'll see. It's been close to 30 minutes. You can see it has started losing its color from below. That's the color we want. It's extracting everything. We turn it a bit, and underneath you can see. Ooh, it's hot. We'll give it some time, and then we'll let it rest for like a day or two. Once it fully rests, it will come to this. I had prepared this a while back. You can see. Oh, it smells amazing. Once I have that, I will sieve it and put it into this. Now this is my finished product. You can see I have sieved it, mixed it with the cologne of my choice, and there we go. You have your own beard oil, scented, made from coconut, rosemary, and your cologne of choice. There you go. Now you can travel with this everywhere you go. Use it for your face, for your beards, anything.